When you have set your goal, don't ever lose your pace because there will be always challenges ahead of you. I believe that success is not an accident. It is a combination of sacrifice, struggle, and most of all, love what you do. Assalamu alaikum. I am Abdullah Bin Kasem. Give me 3 minutes of your time and I will convince you why you should hire me as a junior artificial intelligence engineer. I am a graduate student of computer science of Definitely International University with CGPA 4. In HSC, my GPA was 4.4 and in SSC it was 5. I have received 2 International Diploma in Computer Science from NCC Education, which were Level 4 and Level 5 Diploma in Computing. Besides my academic qualification, I have participated in some professional courses like NESCOM Certified Web Development course, Bangladesh Computer Council Certified Mobile Application Development course, and I am also a Udacity Nanowiki Certified and Microsoft Azure Certified Artificial Intelligence Developer. As a successful leader and excellent communicator, I am the Campus Ambassador of Korea's Software Developer Certification Program. I am the convener at Basic Student Forum and I am the founder president of Porivartan, the social welfare organization. I served as joint secretary of Definitely Computer Programming Club and vice president of Computer Science College Science. I enjoy work under pressure and loves to face challenges. I am an enthusiastic, hardworking, visionary, creative, and flexible person. I have done many web-based and mobile application projects, including Medimart Management System, EasySME, Ticket Booking System, and Plan versus Zombie game. In the field of artificial intelligence, I have worked with natural language processing, automated speech recognition, and visual analysis. One of my most recent projects was automated Bengali video subtitle generation, which was supervised by Mr. Tanvir Hassan, CEO of Decibel Limited, and highly appreciated by Mr. Sarwar Hossain Mullah, Head Department of CIS. Currently, I am working with Decibel Limited on a project named Bangla Local Speech Processing. Though I am fluent to work with any programming languages, including Java, PHP, Python, or scripting languages like JavaScript, ActionScript, HTML, CSS, or Bootstrap. But my passion is artificial intelligence, especially deep learning. I want to become an artificial intelligence engineer, especially deep learning analyst. I believe that if I will get the opportunity to work with an organization, inshallah, I will become an inestimable asset for your organization through my dedication, skills, experience, and hard work. I am looking forward to meet with you. Thank you for watching my video resume.